Yes, now it is.
Okay, welcome. I explain you very short about season for the truffles. In the winter time, in January and February, we have two different black winter truffles, Tuber melanosporum and Tuber brumale. The season is January, February, sometimes in March. Then after, in April, comes season for the black summer truffles, Tuber aestivum vitadini. This is the most important and the most popular black summer truffles. And then in September, it's start season for the Tuber magnatum pico, the best truffles on the world. This. You have opportunity today that you can see fresh white truffles. This is big and very nice. Yes, and the season for the white truffles, it's about till New Year. And I invite you, everybody that come to truffle hunting in Moto Bun.
And she's going to cook a beautiful, what they call it?
Dinner.
Dinner, gourmet.
Yes.
The hunting is the dog. And the other hunter,